Hello, my name is Denise Prado. This is week 6, lab assignment for pH testing, and the first part has been completed already. We had to wait 24 hours until turbidity was noted with the vials. We had 2 sets, Staph epidermis and cerevisiae with 1% sodium chloride, 7%, and then 15%. For Staph epidermis, it's the same thing. So in order to get to that first part completed, we had to add from our original broth, which was the Staph epidermis, onto the sodium chloride broth. So after 24 hours, we do have turbidity. We're moving on to the second step, which is adding 1 drop of hydrochloric acid onto pH 5 for Staph epidermis and cerevisiae. So we're gonna go ahead and do that together. And then for Staph epidermis pH 9, which is this one over here, we're adding sodium hydrochloride, 1 drop. The only thing is the lab mentions to skip pH 7 because if we're looking at the pH scale, 7 is already neutral. It's not too acidic, it's not too out of range. So we have to do this aseptically. Add a little flame here. Step 2 has multiple steps, which is interesting. Even after adding the 1 drop, there's still more to do. We need to pipette 2 drops of Staph epidermis and add that to the Staph epidermis vials. And then Staph cerevisiae, pipette with another pipette separately, 2 drops for cerevisiae. And then we should leave it for 24 hours minimum. If no changes occur, then we need to add more. So I'll just cut at 45 degrees. Hydrochloric acid. I'll leave it standing in here so I don't drop it. So pH 5. Sterilize our vial. And then we'll do 1 drop. All right. That's 1 drop. I'll leave this aside. Moving on to the other pH 5. Sterilize. And 1 drop. There you go. That one had air bubbles. There's that one. Moving on to pH 9. To cut this 45 degree. And 1 drop. There it is. Put the paper down. The lid area is turning dark already from all the steps. All right. So then let me just bring forward, these are done. I have the Staph epidermis 7 that we didn't add anything. pH 5, pH 9 as well. So then what we need to do is add 2 drops of Staph epidermis. I'll sterilize. I have my pipette here. Separately. 5. 2 drops. 2. All right. So those are the final steps, and then we'll see any changes that do happen. We'll add that to our lab assignment. Thank you so much. My name is Denise Prado.